How to create a Kahoot account? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's pretty quick and easy tutorial. Now, this can be done on both your laptop as well as your mobile phone. I'm going to show you guys both ways. So, or actually it is exactly the same, but yeah, so on your mobile phone, you want to download the app and simply click on next where it says welcome, because now you will basically start creating your account. Now on PC, this is basically how the website would look like. At the top, you have a sign in button. Once you click on it, you will also be brought to this same kind of page where you have to choose your account type. So here you want to either choose teacher, professional, student, or personal. I'm just going to go with personal. And then who will use this account, you or your child? I'm going to click on you. And then here you have to fill in your age. And then click OK. Who will you play Kahoot with most often? Friends and family, colleagues or customers, students or other. And then I'll just click on other. And here it says create an account. So now you will have to click on sign up. And here you have to enter your date of birth. So month, I'll just do May. The year, like that. Click on continue. Enter your username. So you can either do a random username right over here, which is quite funny, but you can also choose your own, which I'm going to do real quick. Then click on continue. And here you will have to enter an email and password, or you can go with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever. Here you can either choose to receive emails or not. I'm not going to do that, and click on continue and sign up. And now you just have to wait for this, and there you go. It will immediately offer you a subscription, but you can also just do this for completely free. So here you can also add a profile picture, your real name, and change your username if you would like that. I'm going to do all of that later, so I'll just click on save, and it will basically look like this. So that's how to create a Kahoot account.